Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is speech on Labor Day. Good morning, everyone. Today we celebrate Labor Day, a day to honor the hard work and dedication of workers around the world. Every building we use, every road we travel, and every service we enjoy is possible because of workers' efforts. Labor Day reminds us to respect all kinds of work and the people who do it. It also teaches us the importance of fairness, equality, and safe working conditions for everyone. Let us appreciate the workers in our families and communities who help make our lives better every day. Their contribution is valuable and deserve recognition. Happy Labor Day to all. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.